What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to try something today. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but if any of you guys have an old Fox, I'm sure, or you've had an old Fox, I'm sure you've ran into this before. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but how wavy the cardboard back on the door panels get. This one is the worst one. It's my passenger side. But what I'm going to try, I've got a board laid out. I'm going to try to re-wet it, like get it good and wet, put a board to flatten it out on the back, and put a lot of weight on it, and see if it could possibly flatten back out. If not, I guess I just order the new cardboard from LMR. But anyway, I'm going to give this a shot and see how it goes. Alright, so here we go. Some weight on there. We'll check back tomorrow, see if it's any flatter. If not, I guess I'll just be ordering some cardboard from LMR. But anyway, if it doesn't work, you guys will probably never see this. So, here we go. It does look a lot better, but it's still damp. I'm going to put the weight back on and see if it'll finish straightening out. But it's looking good. It's been, what's today, Monday? I did this Saturday night. I'm getting ready to take the weight off and see how it looks. Hopefully it's dry. If not, I'll just put the weight back on and let it dry some more if it's working. So let's check. Moment of truth. Oh man. It's not perfect, but man, it looks a lot better. It's still a little bit damp though. I think I'll put the better, but it's still damp. We'll put the weight back on and see if it'll finish straightening out. But it's looking good. I think I need a little more weight on here. So for my other one, I think I'm going to get the buckets and fill them up with the water. These are just like maybe like this much paint in them. So I need some more weight. So for the driver's one, I still got to do it. It's not quite as bad, but I'm going to get the buckets and fill them with water. I've got some 5-gallon buckets upstairs I can do that with. See if I can put more weight out to get to flatten out better. But it is taking a long time to dry. So we'll see how that goes. So it's been, I did it Saturday night. So tonight's Monday night, so it's been basically 48 hours, and it's still not completely dry enough. Had a fan blowing. I might need some heat in here to see if that'll help. All right, guys, here we are. I've had the door panel. It's been sitting for a week now, just because I've had other things to do. I hadn't had to worry about it. But I'm getting ready to pull the weight off. I had a heater on and a fan to make sure it dried out completely. So I'm gonna pull it apart now and see how flat and hopefully straight it is. So just to recap, took door panels off, of course. This one was really bad, warped. So I took a spray bottle, soaked them down real good, put a piece of plastic on it to keep the water from soaking into the plywood, and then put the plywood on it, and then put as much weight as I could find on there, and let it dry for about a week or so. Which I'm not sure if it's completely dry yet, but it's looking good so far. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up, ready to dye, and I'm out of here.